Hey guys, welcome to Zax PixelPlay. Today, we're creating a stunning Instagram post using Canva. Like this, let's dive right in. First, let's start with a blank canvas. I'm choosing the 4:5 aspect ratio for this design. Next, let's pick a background color. I'm going with a soft purple tone for a clean, modern look. Now, let's add some texture. Head over to Elements, and in the search bar, type Brush Corner. Choose a design you like and place it on the canvas. I'm lowering the opacity to blend it seamlessly with the background. Let's bring in more details. Go to Elements and search for a globe icon. Place it at the bottom of the canvas. Next, search for a phone icon and place it beside the globe. To add more depth, search for a black transparent gradient. And position it at the bottom. Now, adjust the layers by clicking on Position to ensure everything fits perfectly. Type your website name and fit it next to the icons. Also, add your phone number below. Time to add the design image. Upload your product image or search for one in Elements. I'm using a hoodie for this design. Place the image and remove the background for a sleek look. Next, add your business name and logo for branding. For extra appeal, let's edit the background with some text. Choose an eye-catching font and add it to the design. To give the image more depth, apply a shadow to the main object and tweak the settings until it looks just right. Now, let's align everything. Add guides by enabling rulers and guides from the File View settings, and click Show Rules and Guides align all elements to fit the canvas perfectly. I fast-forward this little bit. And there you have it, the final design. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. For more design tips and tutorials, subscribe to Zax PixelPlay and stay connected.